home, Da Nang, Vietnam, and I'm at the port. This is a really interesting area where all the commercial and personal boats kind of dock up. There's tons of boats all around. It's a really beautiful area. Fishermen, I'm sure they're intrigued as to why this guy's walking around their port and taking photos of their daily life. But they're always super friendly. I really love being here. Really love just, the atmosphere, the smiles and stuff. It seems like everybody's so focused on work. But then whenever they see me, they kind of, lighten up a little bit and just have a fun time. And it brings me a lot of joy because I see a lot here that I don't often see. I just want to walk around a bit, take a few photos. Hopefully I can get a bunch before it rains. And yeah, just experience this place, which I love so much. Vietnam scene here. A lady in a boat with, the traditional straw hat. Pretty far away, so I'm on 200mm, and then I switched to APS-C crop mode, so, I'm not close. Repair shop here. I love the look of it, but I only have the 70 to 200 on, so I can't really do much with it. This is something I've never seen. Ice blocks being sent. I'd been in this area quite a few times before, but I had no idea that this was kind of an ice factory or ice production facility. They'd send these huge blocks of ice across these really rickety kind of ramps and send them down to this boat, and on the boat had a kind of an ice crusher where it was making it into smaller chunks or ice shards or whatever. So I assume it's for packing fish whenever they're out at sea. I'd never seen anything like this before. It was super interesting to me. So I stayed around here for a little while and I captured what was going on. Okay, so these are all blocks of ice. rain really started pouring right after this, so I headed home as quick as I could, and that was the end of my shooting day. I almost didn't stop at the shipyard because I've been there quite a few times in the last few weeks and a lot over the last couple months, and I felt like I'd seen it all, and it was just it was getting to be the exact same thing over and over again. What I'm taking away from all of this is to just keep showing up. Keep going back to these places because they're constantly evolving and there's always new moments to capture. Sometimes I do feel like they're a bit stale, but there's always something new happening, and I have to remember that, to just keep going back. Maybe not every day, but every once in a while, just check in, see what's new at these places, because these stories deserve to be seen, the stories deserve to be told, and to me, I just have so much fun capturing these moments because it's a beautiful place to photograph. Thanks for joining me on this. I'll see you in the next one.